Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dell docking station not detecting external monitor, display, cable and power fix. Fix 1. Check the monitor power. Make sure the monitor is plugged into a power outlet, then turn on the monitor using its power button. Check if the power light is on, then increase the monitor brightness if the screen looks black. Second one is check the display cable. Disconnect the HDMI, display port or USB-C cable from the dock. Then check the cable for damage. Plug the cable back in firmly on both ends. If possible, try a different display cable. Third one is check the dock connection. Disconnect the docking station from your laptop, then wait for 30 seconds. Connect the dock back to the laptop securely. Then make sure the connector is fully inserted. Fourth one is restart the dock and laptop. Turn off your laptop, then unplug the docking station from power, then wait for 30 seconds. Plug the dock back into power, then turn on your laptop and check the monitor. Fifth one is detect the monitor in Windows. Press Windows plus I to open setting, then go to system, then display. Scroll down and click multiple displays. Click detect, then check if the external monitor appear. Thanks for watching.